morning, good morning. Problema nyo ba yung mga jacket nyo or mga kung ano dyan na yung may velcro na hindi na magdikit, na hindi siya magdikit dahil marami na siyang mga there's a lots of things stuck in there. Here. So I gonna show you how the trick to clean it. See this one? See, you get this one is easy because it's and then it's safe. So you're gonna do is just poke in here. See that? See, di ba? Ito makuha niya yung lahat na diyan, yung nakadikit diyan. Stick. See this? He took everything in there that's stuck in the velcro. See? See, it's look new now. See this one, there's lots here, another one in here. See, you can poke any direction. Okay, yeah, can poke. See. See that? So and then just it's easy to pick up. See. See, because it's already full, so that's why it won't stick anymore. You see how dirt is stuck in there? No need to change a new one. Just clean it. It's look like new again. Yeah. See here, another one in here. You see, it's hard to see. It's full of dirt, right? See, it's clean now. So I recommend this one because it's not very sharp, right? So you won't throw in your fabric. See, because it's the trick how to clean the velcro. So it's stick now. See, right?
Ta-da!
Okay, enjoy.